Hello, this is Vik. In this video, we'll see about pages, WordPress pages. Here we have only one page, that is a sample page. I'll create a new page by clicking on Add New, or from here, Page, and also from here. You can create a page from front end also. Just clicking on this page link from admin toolbar. I'm just creating a title as a new page, and I'll copy content from this post, this lorem ipsum text. I'm just pasting it here in a visual mode, and here we don't have any categories or tags for these pages. Categories and tags, this taxonomy is only for the post, not for the pages. For pages, we'll have hierarchy, that is a parent and child relationship. If we have about our company page, you can add a team members under about page, like selecting a parent page. We'll see about this hierarchy in the next video. And here we'll have a same. This post editor is the same, and we can add a media, same like post, and also featured image. And we'll see these are screen options. We can add custom fields and also discussion. By default, comments are disabled. For pages, if you want, we can enable this comments and trackbacks. And also you can see the slug, author. I'll just save it as a draft. And we can choose the columns, one column or two columns. We can drag and drop these panels based on our requirement, and you can edit this URL. It's a new page. I'm making it as a new page, and we can publish this page. And for pages, this slug will be right after the domain name, and if we have any child pages, that child page will be added right after this main page. And we don't have any year and month date. Here you can see I have year, month and date. That's because it's taking these settings from settings permalink section. We'll see how we can set this settings. I'll working on a settings section. That's the difference. If I publish this, you can access this page. / new page. That's a new page, and here we don't have anything like author name, published date and time, all those things. It's just a simple title and content. If you want, we can enable comments by enabling this discussions panel. Allow comments, update. If I reload this page, I should see this comment box, comment form. You can leave a comment. We are not seeing name and email field because I am already logged in as this user, WP course user, so I am not able to see. If it's a private window, we can see this form, entire form. And in next video, we'll see about this page attributes. And we can add the featured image same way as previous posts. You can choose image, and we can set a featured image. It will be applied directly. And media also, it's the same. We can add any media, and we can choose media size and alignment. I'll choose right. Here it's aligned right. If we don't have a caption, we can drag and drop this anywhere we want. If it has a caption, it will become difficult to drag and drop. Instead of that, we should move this image. Here it's a mistake, so here it's moved correctly. It's added on top of this article. Here you can see, make some new lines and add this image. And in next video, we'll see about this page attributes panel, that is page hierarchy, and also templates. Here in this theme we don't have any templates, otherwise so we'll say templates. Based on that we can apply template for each pages. And in next section I'll create a about page and user pages, that is profile pages, and I'll make a parent and child relationship.